Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a worship song, Never Lost, and we're going to be playing it in a key of B, okay, and then I'm going to play everything. When I finish, we'll break the chords down. It's a new song and it's from B to C. There's a modulation in between, so these are the chords. Okay, so from the intro is like this, from 1 to a flat 7 and then to a chord 4. Okay, so this is a chord 1, and then this is your flat 7 chord, and then this is your chord 4. Then back to chord 1. Then it starts miracles, da 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 da. Okay, so that is 1. Then you move to a 7th chord. So this is how you play your 7th chord. Then you move to your chord 6. So from chord 6, you do a 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can play your 1 like this. Okay, so this is your 4. You can play your 4 like this, but we play the 4 like this. And then 3, 2, and then 1. So da 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 da. Then we do a 2, 2 to a 3. I know he's able. Okay. Da 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 da. So we'll do it twice. The next one we end with a chord 5, a 5th chord. So from 2 to a 3 to a 4. Then you rest. Then you play 2 again, 3, 4 to a 5. So this is how you play a 5. Then you do 1. You can do all things. Okay, so when you end on the 5, you start you can on a 1. You can do all. You do your 7th chord and then a 3 and to a 6. So you can do all things. Okay, so you do you can do all. That's 7, 3, 6. Then you can do this one. You're playing a flat 7 over 5. Then you move to a 4. Okay, so let's do everything. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I know he's able. You can do all things. Okay, So this, the chord 4, this is where we ended. You never lost a battle. You do a 3. You never lost a battle. So you do, that's a 2, a 3, and then a 4 to a 5. You never lost a battle, never lost a battle. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da. Then it starts on a 1 again. So the progression repeats itself again till it gets to you can do all things right now. You can do all things right now. You never lost a battle. You never lost a battle. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da. Then it does a repetition of you never lost a battle. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so this one you play 2, 3, 4, then you play 4 over the 5, then it repeats like that. Da-da-da-da-da-da. 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 You never will, you never will, you never lost a battle. You never lost a battle. You never lost a battle. Then on the 4, then you come and play a 5th chord on C. You can do all things. So you bring the same progression to C, but when you play, then you come to a 5th chord in a C. This is the 5th chord in C. Then you do a 1. You can do all. So this is chord 7. 3, 6. You can do all. Flat 7 over 5. 1 to a 4. You never lost a battle. Never lost a battle. As I know, da-da-da, you never will. You can do all things. You can do all things better. 'Cause you never lost a battle. Never lost a battle. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Okay, so this is the 1, this is the 7, this is the 3, this is the 6. You can do all. This is the flat 5, flat 7 over 5. Right now, this is your chord 4. You never lost a battle. Chord 3, you could play like this. Okay, so lost the battle. This is your 3, this is your 4, sorry, this is your 2, 3, 4, 5, then it ends on 1, then flat 7 over flat 7, and then 4. You never lost the battle. You never lost the battle. Da-da-da-da. So from 1, flat 7 to 4, and then back to 1. Alright, so that is the arrangement of the song. I'm going to play everything together and